How to sync Instagram with Facebook. At first, open your Instagram app, tap on the profile icon, tap on the three-line menu at the top right, tap Account Center, tap on your profile. Now tap on Add Accounts. Tap on Add Facebook Accounts. If you are already logged into Facebook on your phone, your account will connect automatically. Now tap on Continue. Tap on this option. Now you'll see your Facebook profile here. Tap on this. Tap on Facebook profile. Here is the connecting option here. Turn this on. That's it. Your Instagram and Facebook accounts are now connected and you can easily share posts and stories between them.